John Higgins, Mortgage One. Happy Monday. So if you take a look at our update this week, it gives you a bunch of reasons why interest rates really have been moving higher. I think we're at 4-month highs in interest rates, something we haven't really seen since the summer. We got that nice turnaround in the bond market and headed down to 361 on the 10-year Treasury, only here to jump well above 430. There's all kinds of issues that are sitting out there with regard to us not going into a recession. So the Fed is trying to affect this thing called a soft landing. So they bring the economy down, cool inflation, but not go negative and drag the economy into a recession. It looks like maybe they're on the track to do that. All the economic data that's been coming out has been a little bit hotter than expected, whether it be the jobs numbers. Although this past week we only got 10,000, there was kind of a whisper that it might be negative due to the strikes and the hurricanes that have ravaged the South. And then, home sales have been okay. But really if you look at what the bond market is doing today, it really, I think, has everything to do with the election and the, uncertainty that's coming from both candidates as far as how much they're going to spend, what that means for our deficits, all the tax policy issues. We saw a poll out over the weekend in Iowa that says Kamala Harris has a chance in a very red state, and the bond market is probably having its best day in several weeks. If we look at what this morning's bond market looks like, we're down 12 basis points, so really a great day. Goes to show you that the volatility surrounding this election has really been, amazing, I guess is the best way to put it. We do have a Fed meeting this week on Wednesday, so right after the election's over, the Fed's going to be out there giving a statement and probably reducing the Fed funds rate by 25 basis point. That is all baked into the market. So it hasn't done any good with our mortgage rates yet. So, we'll give you an update next week after the election kind of gets settled here. We hope it'll be settled by next Monday. And then after the Fed has their chance to release their statement and probably drop the Fed funds rate by another 25 basis points. Have a great week. Go out and vote, and we'll talk to you next week.